Welcome back. Now news from sports. India have a lot of work to do if we have to improve the standard of our football. The recent match against Bayern Munich exposed the big divide in the level of football dished out by the European giants in comparison to 162nd ranked Indians. Indian football lovers are, however, hopeful in long-term improvement as the AIFF FIFA academies stay on course. A total of 4 academies will come up in Pilot, Delhi and Bangalore operational by April 1st this year.
Bayern Munich looked like a team from a different planet as they played India in the Audi Football Summit to commemorate Bhaichung Bhutia's farewell in Delhi. The German club seemed to be out for a stroll and hardly broke sweat as they toyed with the Indian national football team. The comparison of Bayern's football to ours may be a harsh yardstick to judge India's standard, but then the embarrassment for Indian football lovers is for real. India cannot overnight change gears and improve their football. The country lacks in infrastructure to play good football. Business model for clubs and academies for scientific youth development are rare. The coaching staff led by Savio Madeira also cannot be blamed as they are doing their best with what is available to them. The All India Football Federation seems to be keen now to open academies across the country. This may be a step a little too late, but then it's better late than never. This will keep hopes alive of the nation that Indian football will one day make us proud and not embarrass us. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
AEM Warriors became the first team to enter this year's Babu Brothers T20 tournament. Warriors beat Sports Week by 24 runs, while in the second quarter final of the day, Kohli 11 defeated RLCC by 4 wickets to cement their place in the semis. Vijay Singh 90 powered Kohli 11, while Pushpashin Desai's all-round performance helped the Warriors win their match.
In the first quarter-final of the day, AEM Warriors won the toss versus Sports Week and chose to bat first. Amar Arkas's well-compiled innings of 68 helped the Warriors get to 173 for 6 in 20 overs. Darshan Karekar bowled well, claiming 2 wickets for just 17 runs. In reply, a lot was expected of Debashish Bagchi, but the hard-hitting batsman managed 25 runs, while Chetan Desai top-scored with 38 runs. Sports Week only managed 149 runs in 19.5 overs, losing by 24 runs. Sagar Gosavi claimed 3 wickets for 30 runs, while Pushpashin Desai returned with match-winning figures of 4 overs, 17 for 4 wickets, to go along with his 38 runs with the bat. This earned the all-rounder a Man of the Match award. In the second match of the day, RLCC won the toss and put Kohli 11 into field. Omkar Khanaulikar powered his side to 146 for 9 in 20 overs with a well-made 68. Sai Kumar and Ullas AR claimed 2 wickets each. In reply, Kohli 11 were bolstered by a super strong knock from Vijay Singh, who struck 90 runs with 8 fours and 7 sixers. Vijay picked the Man of the Match award for this performance. Kohli won by 4 wickets with 2.2 overs to spare. Kohli and AEM Warriors now progress to the semi-final stage of the tournament. Our reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.